Hope you guys are ready for a boot camp. So today, which band do you want to use?
The yellow.
So today's workout, you're gonna need to build a booty band. I got Lily here. It's gonna be about like a 10-minute booty workout. Using your band, you're gonna need a couch and a mat, and that's it. Each exercise is gonna be like 20 reps each exercise, and it's gonna be minimal breaks. So you're not really gonna take any breaks after each exercise, but the whole workout should be about 10 minutes. So if you only got 10 minutes, this is it. If you're watching a TV and there's a commercial, you could do this, but I prefer you guys take 10 minutes of your time and do this workout with us. Lily, you ready?
Yeah.
Booty workout, here we come. So remember, build the booty bands. Link is gonna be in the description. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So first workout, we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna do some hip thrusts. So get on your couch. And remember, when you place the band on your knees, it's like right above your knees. Okay, we're gonna do 20 reps. And then when you're doing the hip thrust, make sure you're keeping your knees out, okay? Because the band wants to bring them in, but if you let them go in, it's not as effective. It's pretty much like you're not using a band. The band, you're gonna feel the engagement on the side of the glutes. So you're working the whole booty doing this. Come on, Lily, get to 20. A little higher. There you go. You keeping count? I'm just gonna go with you because I lost count. Ooh, my booty. I know you feel it. Holy crap. Come on, push it, push it, push it, push it. Whew. Damn, that was a good one. Okay, now you're gonna sit down on your couch, and we're gonna do seated adductors. So with this one, all you're gonna do is flare your knees out like that. 20 reps, okay? Damn, right away you're gonna feel the glutes. This one looks so easy. Just burns so much. Look, the beginner version, you just flare them out, bring them back in. The advanced version, you hold it for a little bit and you come back in. So do a little pause. You want to feel the extra burn. Oh, but I don't think my glutes could take it right now. So I'm just repping it. I don't know what number I'm at. Just gonna keep going. That's the con of talking, Lily, I forget. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna do squat abductors. So with this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get like in the squat position, and from here, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna flare your knees out, okay? Oh, you guys are gonna feel that burn. It's gonna be bad, that burn. But that's when you gotta tell yourself, how bad do you want it? How bad do you want to transform? When you feel that burn, you just gotta keep pushing. Oh, damn. Is it burning you?
Yeah.
Dude. All right, now we're gonna do glute bridges. This is the only one where we're gonna do 25 reps. Not 20, 25. Okay, so look, same thing as the hip thrust. You're keeping the knees out, and you're going up. You're pushing off your heels, going up. Ready? Let's go. I'm keeping count this time. Come on, come on. Let's go all the way to 25. I know you feel that pain. Don't focus on the pain. Once you finish the set, that pain's gonna go away. 5 more. What number are you on? Come on. Oh, good job, Lily. Holy crap. This thing's intense. And all you need is a band, dude. Okay, we're gonna get back on the couch. This is the last one of the round. This is gonna be a hip thrust abduction. So you're gonna get in the hip thrust position. You're gonna go up, and you're gonna keep your hips up while you flare your knees out for 20 reps. Let's go. I know you want that break. It's very important though. Don't let your hips sag. A lot of people, they'll bring their knees out and their hips sag. But you want to keep it up. Like Lily here. All the way to 20. Come on, come on, come on. Push it. Ooh. Feel that burn. So hard not letting the hips sag it towards the end. Oh. I'm gonna give you guys a little break. That's round number 1. We're going for 2 rounds. If Lily wants to do 3, you wanna do 3? She doesn't wanna do 3. I guess we're only doing 2. But you guys at home, if 2 rounds is too little, push yourself to do 3. Your booty's gonna thank you. Okay, you ready for round 2? Or not yet? You need to mentally prepare, or you're fine. You ready? Okay. All right, hip thrust, 20 reps. Oh, this time we're gonna feel it a lot. Remember, keep your chin tucked in. That's what I recommend. But if you wanna look up, that's fine too, but a little bit safer and better if you look forward. You could do this while you're watching TV. Easy. No excuses. You're watching Pretty Little Things or whatever. I don't know what number I'm at. Okay. Seated abductors. Damn, Lily's already. She's ready. All right, 20 reps. Let's do it. I'm gonna need you to push me on these because, oh my gosh, dude. Come on, come on, I got 8 more. Oh, I'm at 20, I'm at 18. The squat abductors, the next ones. Oh. It's because we do these and they burn so much, and then we have to do those and like, okay, damn, I'm feeling it. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. No matter how bad you want to stop, when you feel that burn, just go. Oh, now we got glute bridges. Damn, what did we get ourselves into? Can't believe I said minimal breaks. And I wanted to do 30 reps on all of them. Man. All right, glute bridges, here we come. Just gotta think of the booty you want. When you feel that pain, just imagine it growing. So if it's growing, why would you want to stop that? No. Keep it going, keep the pain going. Come on. Remember. Now whenever you're working out and you feel that pain, just think about what I said. The booty is growing. I'm not gonna let go of that burn. I'm gonna keep pushing. Oh, a couple more for extra credit. Oh, damn, that was good. Still got one more. Dang. We got hip thrust abduction. You're trying to take a break? You're quitting? Laying down? Oh, there's the last one. Last one, guys. Let's finish strong. For extra credit, let's do 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't let the hip sag. 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Damn. That was good. Dude, my booty is pumped. Now, damn, good job, guys. I'm proud of you guys. I know you guys did it with us. I know you guys wanted to take longer breaks, but you didn't.
Now do 2 more times.
Now do it 2 more times. Oh, you good? That was good, huh?
Yeah, that was really good.
Damn.
That was a good pump.
Thank you guys for joining us on this booty workout. But we're out. We're done.
So awkward. It was so quiet.